Hello, hello. Hey, totally did not jump on here yesterday. My day got away from me. So I'm here today. It is a little afternoon, um, but I am Tamara with our Big Whaley family, and today I wanted to kind of go over some new things that are coming up and a new kit that you can get, whether you are already have your own wholesale account or whether you are ready to start your own wholesale account. Awesome kit to get to start it with. And then just kind of some, we have the LRP Love winner, the product of the month, the what is 10% off this month. Anyway, just kind of some things I want to talk about. So first things first, this month, right, there's always the product of the month. This month it's not the Bottle of Breathe, it is the Breathe Touch Roller, which I don't have because I gave it to someone to use. So I have one made. It's this size, right, 10 milliliter roller that has the Breathe in it, the Breathe blend, which is the respiratory blend, and it is diluted with fractionated coconut oil. Any of the rollers that say touch on them are diluted with fractionated coconut oil. So that just means that it's ready to grab and go. You're going to want to use Breathe, especially now, this time of the year, with all the pollen flying around. It's great to use for that. It is great to use if you have cough, cold, congestion in your chest, congestion in your head. It really kind of helps to get everything moving, help your respiratory system open up and breathe easier. So you can get that free when you order on your loyalty rewards, which is just doTERRA's way of thanking you for being a loyal customer, right? And so as long as your order is 125 PV, which is approximately $125, then you'll get a free Breathe Touch. You have to order between the 1st and the 15th for that to happen. Yeah, definitely the way you want to do it. If you're not ordering on loyalty rewards, you need to. It's like where you get the best bang for your buck, right? And everybody wants the best deal. Yes. So then each month something is 10% off, and this month it is the Tri-Ease soft gels. These you want because I actually took one this morning because I stepped outside. It's a little windy outside, and it is definitely blowing all the pollen around because I sneezed and all the phlegm and all the itchy eyes. And so the Tri-Ease soft gels, they're little soft gels that have the lavender, lemon, and peppermint blend in them. They mix it all together. They mix lavender, lemon, peppermint all together. And then there are 5 drops of that blend in the little soft gel. You can take 1 or 2 a day, depending on how many you need. 1 is all I ever need to take. And it really does help to relieve any of those symptoms of, the itchy, watery eyes, the runny nose, the sneezing, just all of the stuff that pollen flying around can mess with. So that is 10% off this month, all month long. Last night, I went to the Healthy Habits, I think it's called the Healthy Habits Tour. And actually, I'm going to pop the link in there. There are tours all over. And so if you go to this link here, you can check out the one closest to you. And so we went to the one last night that was in Seattle. It was awesome. Got to hear Kim Camuso talk, and Julie Priest, and PJ Hanks, and Samini. And it was really fun. It was great. Lots of great information. They talked a lot about the 2 new, well, that's one, but you can buy it 2 different ways, right? The kit, the Healthy Habits or Daily Habits kit. If you're getting it as a first-time purchase, right, and you're getting your wholesale account, it's the Healthy Habits kit. If you're getting it and you already have your own wholesale account, then it's the Daily Habits. Same thing is in it. So that's what I'm going to talk about. Go to that link if you want to know where the one is closest to you. I know there's another one up here in Seattle. It's not in Seattle, it's in Bellevue. And it is a Spanish-speaking one. So if you or Spanish-speaking, or you have somebody that you know that's interested in learning more about doTERRA and the things that they stand for and do, and all the products and things like that, go. You can register on there. It's totally free. It's in the evenings. They're usually 7 to 9 o'clock. During the day, there is a business training from, I think it's from 2 to 5. And that is only $10. So if you're into learning more about the business, then you can do that. Anyway, go check that link out. So in the Healthy Habits Kit that you can get, it comes with the Lifelong Vitality, right, which is doTERRA's #1 selling product. Has that awesome 30-day money-back guarantee. You try it, you don't think it does anything, you can get your money back. But it is amazing. That has the Alpha CRS, which is really good. That's that vitality complex, really good to give you the daily energy that you need. Xe Omega, which is the omegas that you need for your brain health, your eyes. That's the part of the Lifelong Vitality that really helps to make your nails and your hair grow fast, which I totally notice. And then the Microplex VMZ, which is the whole food supplement, and it's like the vitamin and mineral complex. So all three of those together, just amazing. It really does set the foundation of your health, and that's what this whole Healthy Habits Tour really talks about is, you know, there's a wellness pyramid that we have. I don't have the picture of that. I'll throw it in the comments when I can find it. And a lot of it is things that you can choose to do to make your health better, right? And that is exercise more, reduce your toxic load. You go outside and breathe and you're right. Just there's stuff in the air. There's stuff in your bedding. There's just stuff everywhere. And so anything you can do to reduce your toxic load is helpful. Reduce your stress level. That's a biggie. Everybody is stressed, right? That's just part of our life now, unfortunately. And then eating right. And that's, you know, it all kind of plays together. And then of course there's the informed healthcare and the, what's the top one? There's another one. Can't think of it. It has to do with your healthcare also. And so working on the ones that you can work on, right, that you try to make some little change in at least getting up and moving once an hour, every hour, right? If you sit at your desk and do a desk job. If you can change one thing that you know that you shouldn't eat, right? If you can lessen your stress somehow, some way by, you know, meditating for 5 minutes a day or something, right? And then reducing your toxic load is just really making some little simple swaps in your home of things that are whether they're, you know, non-toxic cleaners or you know, different laundry detergent, all that stuff just really plays into helping reduce your toxic load. So the other thing in the kit, then it comes with the Lifelong Vitality Pack, right? Comes with the Deep Blue. Everybody needs this. Everybody has aches and pains. You know, you go out and do your daily life, you have aches and pains. It's great to help your inflammation not be so bad. It is a wonderful product. Everybody needs it. And then it also has Terrazyme, which are those digestive enzymes that really help your, you know, your gut health. Everybody knows now, you've seen a whole bunch of articles that your gut health is super important and everything starts in the gut. And so if that is running optimally, then the rest of your body can kind of follow along, right? So those are really digestive enzymes. They help you get the most nutrients that you can out of the food that you're eating, which is super important. And then it also comes with PB Assist, which are the probiotics, and again, for your gut health. And the nice thing about doTERRA's is they're double encapsulated, which just means that they don't open up in your gut until they get into your lower intestine, which is where they're supposed to open up so that it has that nice gut flora so that everything works correctly. In there, then also the oils that you get are frankincense. And frankincense is, you know, amazing for your cellular health, helps with, you know, those fine lines and wrinkles. It is great emotionally to help kind of take the edge off and smooth everything out when you diffuse it. It's an awesome oil. Lavender, anything skin, anything soothing, anything relaxing, that's the great one to help, you know, release your stress, relieve your stress level, along with frankincense. On Guard, that's for help with your immune system, really wonderful at helping your immune system to function like it should. Lemon, right? Lemon is anything cleansing, super uplifting. So again, for your emotions there, diffuse that. but really helpful. Drop in your water. You can take it. Great way to detoxify. So that's reducing your toxic load there. And then Balance is in there also, which Balance, the grounding blend, amazing for helping to kind of ground your emotions. If you're just having a day where you just feel like it's up and down and up and down and you don't know which way you're going, that is definitely one. So all of those together then, all of those oils, the supplements, and the Deep Blue Rub is the Healthy Habits Kit. And you can get that. It is 20% off through the length of the Healthy Habit Kit tour that goes, which I believe is through July. And so it is 20% off. If you do not have your own wholesale account, you can get the whole kit as your starter kit, right? And that's $158. And then if you already have your own wholesale account, you can get the kit and it is $148. So, which is actually next month, because I always buy the Lifelong Vitality every month. That is what I'm going to get this next month because I need some of those oils. And it's a good way to replenish your frankincense. Yeah. And then get some other things on the side. So just remember that when you already have your account and you're out of a couple of oils or you're out of your supplements or whatever, go look in the kits that are available for you to purchase, because again, you can get the most bang for your buck. And even though you already have your own account, your own wholesale account, you can go in and purchase the enrollment kits again, which again are bundled a little less than wholesale price. Take advantage of that. So let's see, we talked about that and that and that. Make and takes this month of April for our Big Oily family. The topic this month is non-toxic cleaning. So we're going to be making some a room air freshener spray, and then also an all-purpose cleanser at the make and takes. And then we'll talk about obviously all the other things that you can use them for. So the first one then this month is the 11th, which is a Thursday night. It is at 6 p.m. in Marysville at the Living Room Coffee House. Hey, Jennifer. The next one then is the 14th of this month in April. It's at 2 o'clock at Camino Island Marketplace, and that is upstairs. And then the last two are on the 20th, which is a Saturday. One is at 9 a.m. It's at Hobby Lobby in Smoky Point, which is really, it's Arlington, Marysville, but it's Hobby Lobby there. And then 6 p.m. that same day on the 20th at Tyee Store, which is on the south end of Camino. So those are our classes for this month. We are going to be at the Port Susan Home and Garden Show, which is at the Senior Community Center up by Utsalati Elementary School, and that is the 13th. All day we'll be there, so stop by, come see us. So yeah, okay, so the LRP love, right? That is just a great way to again get the most bang for your buck, getting your products from doTERRA. And once a week we have a giveaway. This week our winner is Lisa Skogset. Yay, Lisa, congratulations. This is what you're going to win. It is an awesome vitamin case. So it comes in this cool little thing here, has a little snap closure, and then there is a place for you to store all of your Lifelong Vitality things and your other supplements for the week, right? So it's super easy. You just pop them in there. You know what you're taking every day, and then you're a little more organized. So congratulations, Lisa, for winning that. There'll be another LRP Love winner next week, so just look for that post in there. And I think that's it. Yeah, so hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday, and I'll be back next Tuesday, not Wednesday. Sorry about being a day late, but you know, that's what happens. It's life, right? So go check out when the Healthy Habits tours come into your area, and be sure and go, because they're super informative. They're really fun. They always have a bunch of giveaways at the end, and it's great to be in a big room. I think there were probably 600 or 700 people there last night. And it's great to be in a big room like that with people that like the same thing you do and that are interested in the same things that you are. So super fun to go, great energy, and you're always going to learn something new. So I will talk to you later. Bye.